What do you think people should do to help people in poverty in Africa?
Well, first we have to have people become more aware of what's actually going on in Africa. And then after that, then we need to put a plan together. Okay, well, what are we going to do? Okay, we're going to send this down there, or we're going to start a new school, or we're going to train them to do different things. So now you have to put a plan in place. Now we're in the planning time. So we need to plan, and then after we plan, we have to implement it.
Develop their own national institutions like the United States did without interference by other countries who are basically greedy and trying to rob them of their resources.
For you, what exactly is poverty?
Poverty. For me, poverty is not having anything to eat, not having a home, not having the essential things to survive.
How does poverty affect children's behavior?
A lot of times if they don't eat, they might just be, down. They're not able to learn. They're not able to do anything if they, don't have those basic needs met.
What are some ways you can help a child that is in poverty?
A lot of times it has to be from outside. Usually their own countries are poor or they're in the middle of wars, so they're not able to give them any type of food. But what I would do is just organize people here in the States to send them help.
What kind of items can be donated to a child in poverty?
Usually the essentials food, rice, corn, beans, whatever it is that they most basically need.
So what do you think about Africa's people and being in poverty?
I think that they are more focused on, having power and fighting each other. They have the genocide, killing all this races, than focusing on, becoming...
What do you think about Africa's poverty?
I think that it's a really bad situation that we need to do something about, especially the fact that a lot of the money that we send over there doesn't ever actually make it to the people who need it. So I think we need a call for reform in the way that money is distributed to the different people in African nations.
Do you think people should get involved in more programs to donate money?
Yes, definitely. There's a great need for activism.
What do you think about poverty in Africa?
Specific to what? What do you mean, what do I think
People
about?
dying of hunger?
I think it's ridiculous that this day and age that we have people who are dying of hunger. I think we've advanced technologically and politically, and we should be able to assist others. And I think it's just bizarre that in this day and age that there are still children across the world that are not being fed.
Do you usually help out with people by donating money or articles?
I do. I think part of being a citizen of the world is that you have to give a little bit of yourself. And that being said, it may not always be money, but it may be volunteering or bringing to light an issue like poverty in Africa.
What do you think students should do to help out?
I think students need to understand the power that they have in changing the world. I think they need to first and foremost become knowledgeable about what issues are affecting them, not just them obviously, but the rest of the world. And I think if they unite and they begin to understand that they can create a movement, then I think once that happens, they can definitely change the world.
Do you think if kids were to save more food instead of wasting it, will be a better way to help them?
I think as a nation, we do waste a lot. Unfortunately, there are a lot of laws against, that type of deal, like, food donations. They're regulated in a way that makes it sometimes difficult for people to save food. But I think there are ways in which, you can conserve food and be able to send it out. So like things like grains and non-perishables, things of that nature, like I think, there was a food drive not too long ago at school, so maybe we can focus on things like that. But yeah, I think we need to be smarter in the way we spend on food. So there is a way that we can actually, donate to others, but it has to be like non-perishables and that thing.
Poverty means that you are not able to sustain yourself. or your family.
What ways do you think poverty affects children's behavior?
If you don't have the proper nourishment, meaning that if you're not able to eat, you're not going to be able to concentrate, and you cannot do what you need to do.
What are some ways you can help a child that is in poverty?
It depends.
Like donating articles.
Donating food, talk to your Congress people, your representatives, to see if you can do anything about it. Work with other charities.
In your opinion, what are some causes of child poverty in Africa?
It's not for lack of food. It's the lack of jobs, education, corruption that is not allow people to actually have the necessities. Also, there's a lot of wars between tribes. So some people are having to move around, and therefore they're left without any kind of sources.